Hello DIYers! Welcome back to my channel. In the world of babies' DIY sensory play activities, sensory bags are the most ubiquitous since they are known to provide babies the opportunity to explore and learn while engaging many of their senses. Sensory bags are also easy to make and inexpensive. You don't need to go to an indoor play center or a children's museum to develop your baby's sensory exploration further. So in this video, I made 3 sensory bags using rice, beans, and pasta, along with sandwich-sized Ziploc bags. I opted to not use water because water leaked when I created this the first time, though I taped and sealed the bags 3 times. I also wanted these sensory bags to be safe and mess-free, so I didn't use gel or oil either. If you're using any liquid, make sure to seal the enclosure with tape more than twice to prevent leaking. Even if you aren't, you can also tape the bags to prevent accidental opening. My baby was 7 months old when I created these bags, and she can already sit up very well by herself at the time. With this bag, she's able to practice extending her arms to reach for them. It's also a great activity to do during tummy time, and will keep your little ones entertained. You can put them on the floor while your baby tries to tap, touch, or grab them. When I put all 3 bags on the floor in front of her, at first she was just looking at them and seemed afraid to touch anything. After a little encouragement, she picked up the bag with the beans, tossed and dropped it on her side. She picked it up and dropped it a few times. After getting the hang of it, she started shaking it before dropping it on the floor and then pick up another bag to repeat the process, picking up, shaking, and tossing. In conclusion, these bags were easy to make and were effective in keeping baby's attention for a while. I think the sound of the bags when shaken and tossed around played a larger part than the texture of the things inside. That's it for now. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up or comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more DIY toys and activities to make a happy baby. Happy crafting, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!